Hello, my fabulous friends. Welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're going to be taking a look at all 8 of the new e.l.f. Bite-Size Face Duos. So if you're interested in seeing how these colors look and how the palettes perform, stay tuned. So e.l.f. just added onto their bite-size collection and came out with 8 new face duos. And in these little duos, there is a highlighter and a blush shade, which can also be used as a bronzer. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at all 8 of those today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch them on my arm for you so that you can see how they look. But in addition, I am going to add a picture of them on my face somewhere around here. Now, as you can probably tell, I do not have on any blush today. So the first palette that we swatch, I will put on my face so you can get in real time how it performs and how it looks as I'm putting it on. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one I'm going to start with is called Pomegranate, and here's what that looks like. Okay. That is like a pretty rosy pink color, and the highlighter there is like a gold or a rose gold color. And this is the one I'm going to put on my face, hence why I'm starting with this one. Okay. I'll go ahead and open that up for you real quick, and here's what that looks like. So let's go ahead and pop this on. Here's what it looks like on the brush. I don't know if you can see it on there. So it came off pretty nicely there. Let's see. Okay, this is a nice color. And that's just one layer. Okay, can you see that? I'm gonna go ahead and add another layer to that, but that is a really pretty color and I like that on my skin tone. That is absolutely beautiful. So these are buildable, as you can see. That just got much more intense when I added that second layer on there. And come a little closer so you can see that. Now I will tell you that there's definitely some kickback when I'm swirling my brush into the little pan of blush here, but for $3 that's kind of expected. This color is absolutely beautiful. I really like the way it looks on me. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in just a little bit so you can see a little bit closer up how it looks. And while I have you up close and personal, let's go ahead and try on the highlighter. Now the highlighter in here is more like a rose gold color to me, but we're gonna go ahead and work with that. And of course I can't find my highlighter brush nearby, so we're just gonna go ahead and use this brush here, which is a little bit bigger than my highlighter brush, but we're gonna make it work. This highlighter is really pretty as well. Can you see that? Now I'm just going to add a little bit more because I know sometimes on the camera it doesn't show quite as well as it does in real life. So I'm just going to add a little bit more for intensity so that you guys can really see what the color looks like. And there it is. I just think this is really nice. For $3, you can't go wrong. Okay, so here's what that looks like with the highlighter and blush combination. Very, very pretty. And again, this is in the color Pomegranate. I really like this. Really, really like this. Like I said, for $3, I think it's a steal. I love their little bite-sized product line. I have all the eyeshadows too, and they perform really well for $3. I also went ahead and swatched Pomegranate on my hand so you could see that there. The next color we have up is Cantaloupe, and here's what Cantaloupe looks like. And this is more like a light peachy, almost orangey color to me. Okay, and here's what it looks like opened up there. And the highlighter in here is more of a gold color, and it's lighter than the one I just had in the Pomegranate palette. So let's go ahead and swatch this real quick. Now for some reason, this particular blush was really, really chalky. As soon as I swatched it, it just started kind of going all over the place. Don't know if you guys can see that in the pan there. And then on my hand, it's swatched a little chalky too, but here's what that looks like. The next palette we have is Watermelon, and here's what Watermelon looks like. And this is definitely a peachy tone for both the blush and the highlighter. So here's what that looks like swatched. And I did swatch this one. This is swatched over twice. So like I said, these colors are definitely buildable. You can have them as light or as intense as you like. I like this color as well. It's a little light, but it's pretty. Next up, we have Spiced Apple. And Spiced Apple is absolutely gorgeous to me. I love the depth of this color. It's like a deep peach or terracotta type of color. And the highlighter in here is like a deep gold color. Very pretty. This would probably look really nice on darker skin tones as well. Here's what that looks like again. And here's what Spiced Apple looks like swatch. That color is absolutely beautiful to me. I love it. I think that would be great for a nice flush of color just to intensify the cheeks, and I think it would look great on my skin tone. Really, really like that. The next one up is a White Peach, and this is definitely a peachy color. And it has a light gold highlighter there. I realized that all of the highlighters are like in the gold shades, so. And here's what that looks like opened up. This color is beautiful as well. I love that. Look at that peachy color. And like I said, it's a little darker on my hand than it's showing up on camera. So I'm hoping that you guys can get somewhat of an accurate view of what that looks like. Next up, we have Guava, which is more of a pinky color to me. And here's what that looks like. And here's what that looks like opened up. And again, the highlighter in this is a gold shade. Now when I swatch Guava, it actually appears more of a cross between a pink and a peach shade, but nonetheless, very nice. And this would look good on a variety of skin tones. I mean, if you're lighter, you can just go really light-handed, and if you're medium to a little bit darker, you can definitely build up the color to your taste. Next up, we have Lychee. I believe that's how it's pronounced, L-Y-C-H-E-E. And here's what that looks like. And here's what that looks like open. This again looks like a cross between a pink and a peach, but a little lighter than the last one. I said a little lighter, it's actually a little deeper. And here's what Lychee looks like up close and personal. Okay. This would definitely look really nice on so many different skin tones. Very nice. And the last color that we have in these little face duos is called Coconut. Now Coconut is actually one of my favorites because I can wear it as a blush or as a bronzer. So let me go ahead and show you that. Here's what that looks like. And the highlighter is broken. When I received it, it was broken, so I kind of pressed it back down in there. And here's what Coconut looks like opened up. Look at that color. It is absolutely stunning. Now when I swatch this highlighter, it does look a little weird and a little chunky, and that's only because, like I said, it was broken when I received it, so that's kind of what it came out like. Now that color there is like a beautiful brownish red color, and I could wear that as a blush. I would have to go pretty light-handed on it, but I could also use it as a bronzer, and I love that. I have the ability to use it in a variety of ways, and this would definitely work for those deeper skin tones. Very, very pretty. Okay guys, so that was all 8 of these little face duos swatched. Let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite color and if you'll be picking up any of these for yourself. Well anyway, that's all that I have for today. I just want to take a few minutes to share these with you. I hope that you enjoyed the video. As always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.